One UI Home.
Hello there. Today we are going to look at an amazing application which is going to help us out in many ways. Before we get started, I would just like to tell you, you can contact me on my socials through the links in the description box and send me an email to guidancefortheblind@gmail.com, all small letters and no spaces. And with that, let's get started. So the app we are going to look at today is called YT Create, which you can get from the Play Store. Now this app helps you create videos as well as edit videos into something else. Let us have a look at the app itself and we will come to know what is there in the app.
YT Create.
This is the app.
YT Create.
Now this is generally made for YouTube creators who might want to create and edit videos on the go. So you can download this if you are a YouTube creator. Now here there are many options for AI creation and generations and stuff. But let us look at the basic stuff first. So if I touch here,
Your recent projects.
there is an option of my recent projects, which are basically the videos that I created recently.
View all. Button.
I can view all videos.
Untitled. 028 3 days ago. Button. Detected. Image the flower of the year.
And this is a video of 28 seconds which I had created. Here in front of this is an action menu button using which you can delete or rename your video. And I can click here and I will show you how the interface appears.
Go home. Button.
Now here you can basically trim your video as well as add effects, add music, and I think the music should be mostly copyright free since the YouTube, this app is dedicated for YouTube creation itself. So I think you could pretty much use any music in this app and get away with it.
Show menu. Export. Full screen. Button.
There's export, there's full screen.
Delete. Button. Split. Play video. Button. Undo. Redo. 0 seconds. 5 seconds. Unlabeled. 0 frames. Unlabeled. 6 seconds 17 frames. 26 seconds. Unlabeled. 026/028. Unlabeled. Add transition. Button.
And here there are options for standard video editing like add transitions.
28 second. Overlay. Text. Sound. Button.
You can do many things and I cannot make a video demonstrating all things at once. But there are, I'll just give you a general overview of what there is.
Generate video. Generate image. Sticker. Voiceover. Captions. Canvas. Captions. Button.
And captions will be auto created, so you don't even have to worry about that.
Canvas. Aspect ratio.
And you can choose your aspect ratio, and when all is done you can just export your video. The best option here is the option of noise cancellation.
Canvas. Generate sound. Button. Text. Overlay. Add content. Add transition. Unlabeled. 13 seconds. 17 frame. Add transition. 0 0 redo. Undo. Play. Split. Play. One UI home.
Get ready this Saturday. So I had just played this video and this is a very clean video, but there was a lot of noise in it, and I used the noise cancellation feature here to cancel the noise out. And the interface is quite complex and TalkBack will get stuck when you are using this app, but you have to work with patience and you will find an option to turn on noise cancellation. As soon as you click on that, there will be it will take you through a process. It will show a progress bar, and as soon as the progress is completed, as soon as the video is generated, the noise cancellation is turned on, as soon as it reaches 100%, you can play the video and check if it looks right or not. If you don't want the noise cancellation, then you can turn it back off again if you think that, it is cancelling things that I don't want to be cancelled and stuff like that. Now this is basically standard editing stuff that you can do with video editors, and this I think is quite accessible and hopefully will improve in future. Sounds will have many options. I think sound is useful and captions in the case of blind users. For transitions and overlays and stuff, it could be useful for sighted users, but we would pretty much get stuck over there as well. The interesting options here are, I'll just go back.
Untitled. 0283.
Now
Detective
I
image the flower of the year.
have shown you this with a project that was already existing. You could create your own project.
View. You. Generate. Edit. Create. Project. Create. Project.
By clicking on create project button, just click here and then select the videos and photos you want in the proper sequence, and then click on export or whatever the button is titled, and as soon as you do that, it's going to export it into the app itself, and then you can edit the video as you like, and the options are going to be same as you would get in the project, and that is why I haven't created a new project and shown you guys. The two interesting features here are
generate video button.
This generate video, which uses VO3, the Google's video generation model, to generate videos. So we are going to just generate a basic clip here and see how it works out.
What do you want to create today? Edit box. English US QWERTY shown. Showing Samsung keyboard.
So here you just have to paste your prompt or type it out, whatever, and you can choose 3 ingredients, that is 3 images to edit your video. For example, if you want that you want a specific house and you want a video to be created with relation to that or whatever, so you can select 3 images,
upload up to 3 ingredients
or 3 videos, and so you can upload up to 3 ingredients, and then you can enter the prompt stating what you want to achieve, and then the video will be created. For now, I'm just going to paste the prompt and create a video using the prompt.
What do you want to... A room in a corporate setting, getting ready for a conference. Men and women walk around the room, settling themselves in different chairs around a table where they are supposed to meet. Women walk with high formal heels and men walked in professional style boots towards their seats. Upload. Generate. Button. Expression. Button. Keyboard hidden. Upload. Generate.
And it's as simple as that. You just click on generate and wait for some seconds or minutes, I think.
Button.
You wait for like 1 or half minute and then it will be generated.
Generating video. Close. 9%. Enjoy unlimited generations from 12 a.m. to 9 a.m. 34%. Enjoy. 59%. Enjoy. 71%. Back. Button. Your video. Close. Send feedback. Thumbs up. Thumbs. Output video. Use video. Upload to YouTube. Back. Your video. Close. Send feedback. Thumbs up. Button. Thumbs. Output video. Use video. Out.
So I have paused the video by clicking on the output video, and as you heard that, there was the sound of boots, and I think that on the screen as well, there were people walking and stuff. So you can do that. You can create short clips using VO, the Google's video generation model, and you can use this video anywhere, or you can just upload it to YouTube simply.
Use video. Button.
So I think use video will export it to a new project.
Go home. Button. Show menu. Selected. Generated video.
So this basically exports your video to a project, and you can perform edits if you want to edit this video. The second interesting option is again similar to this one, but
generate video. Generate image. Use templates. Generate. Image. Generate. Image.
There's also the
Button.
option to generate image, which you can easily generate, and there is the option to use templates, which is quite inaccessible. Again, I mean, it's accessible, but TalkBack gets stuck, and I think templates are basically visual stuff, so I don't think they might come in much handy until and unless you are sure of what the visibility looks like in a particular template. But there are templates of travel, there are templates of, seasons and different types of templates. If you want to explore them, you can go and explore those out as well.
Generate. Edit. With AI. Edit. With AI.
So now we saw generation, and now we can see edit with AI. Now what's going to happen here is that you basically select, a few videos and images, and they should be shorter than 5 minutes in total, as well as a individual video. So if an individual video is longer than 5 minutes, it's not going to accept it, as well as if the total of all images and videos equals 5 minutes, that's also not accepted. So it should be like either equal to or below 5 minutes.
Dialogue. Gallery. Video. Photos. Video. Image. Button.
So we can select some items here. Now in the previous thing, what we saw was we had to basically put a prompt. We could select some materials. Okay, if we want to generate videos based on those materials, we could do that, and we could select the materials and put a prompt showing the direction of how we wanted to generate a video. Here we cannot direct the generation. What we have to just do is select our materials and let the AI do its job. So I'll select one image here.
Image selected. Video. Photos. Video. Button.
And there's this 3-second video which I'm going to select.
Video selected.
Now in case of the previous videos, we had some ambient sounds, but here we are going to have proper text to speech and music in this case.
Photo. Only use photos of only use photos of others with their permission. 2 clips, 5 seconds. Max 25 clips, 5 mins. Dismiss. Next. Button.
As soon as you are done selecting, click next. And now you have to select some options. So you can select whether you want captions, whether you want voiceover, whether you want text to speech, music. So I'll just turn off music and keep the other options on.
Uploaded. Length.
What should be the length? So I'll keep it to 30 seconds to 60 seconds.
Less than 15 seconds. Selected. 15 seconds to 30 seconds to 60 seconds. Selected. Options. Music. Check. On. Switch.
I don't want music.
Off. Captions. Check. On. Switch.
Okay, I want captions.
AI voice. Check. Language. Selected. English. Button. Hindi. English and Portuguese. Bengali. Casual. Witty. Check. Casual. Style.
And now there is style. So
Check. Casual. Casual. Male English. Witty. Male English. Western. Male English. Witty. Male English.
let's select
Radio button.
witty male.
Check. Western. Male English.
So
Radio
witty
button.
is basically a style of conversation. So
Type friend. Female English. Documentary. Female English. Next. Button.
and as soon as I click on next, my video will start generating.
Close. Button. Analyzing media. 0%. This may take a while. Stay on this screen to keep your progress. Selecting highlights. This may take a while. Selecting highlights. Notification. Media. Auto. Vodafone. Clear. Expand. Tool. Pause.
I'll wait for the video to be generated and then come back to you. Okay, it is generated.
Guidance for the blind needs your help to make tech accessible.
YT create. Unlabeled. Close. Send. Thumbs up. Thumbs. Reach. 100%. Go to editor. Export. Unlabeled. Close. Send feedback. Unlabeled.
Our hero is calling every MacBook whiz at them. Guidance for the blind needs your help to make tech accessible.
So I basically put out a post on my WhatsApp channel saying that if anyone is a Mac user, just send me an email. And similarly, I put out the same story on Instagram. So what happened was I selected the clips which corresponded to that. So the image of the from the WhatsApp channel and the video from the story. So this is what it has come up with.
Our hero is calling every MacBook whiz at them. Guidance for the blind needs your help to make tech accessible.
I don't like this very much, I think, for this particular video, but it generally creates nice videos, especially with the casual female. So these are some of the features of the app, and I think it's quite useful. So comment down below if you will use it, and if you have any other ideas while exploring this app, do let me know so we learn and grow as a community together. So that, guys, is it for today's video. Until next time, bye bye.
Hi everyone. If you like my video, so please give me a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe. If you have any doubt, then you can write it in the comments section down below. I will try to answer it soon. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.